ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। In Vedanta परिभाषा प्रमा लक्षणम was done, abadita, anadhigata, and one was smriti vilakshana, another was including smriti. If it smriti is included, then it is not anadhigata, because smriti is already known. It is adhigata vishaya. So anadhigata, abadita, jnana vishayatvam. This is pramaya lakshana. Now we are doing lakshana for pratyaksha prama. In this, Purvapakshi raised three vikalpas on whatever is your page number. Pratyaksha pramatvam, indriya janya jnanatvam, jnana janya jnanatvam, jnana karana jnanatvam. If you say it is indriya janya jnanatvam, then mana is not indriya according to Vedanta. So then sukhadi pratyakshe avyapti. If you say jnana ajanya jnanatvam, then in Nyaya Paksha, Pratyaksha Jnana, all other Jnanas are not Jnana Janya. Means they are Jnana Janya, they are not Jnana Ajanya. Anumiti, Upamiti, etc. they all are Jnana Janya Jnana. But Pratyaksha is Jnana Ajanya. But it is Ishwar Jnana Janya. Because Ishwar Jnana is Sadharana Karana for all Jnanam. So then Jnana Janya Jnanatvam, in Pratyaksha Jnanam also there will be Avyapti. Ishasta Jnana Yatnecha, that shloka you all know. Siddhanta. That's okay. Nyaya. Means this Purvapakshi is saying, if you say this, then here there is a Vyapti. If you say this, then there is a... Actually, we don't have to worry about what is Nyaya Matam. So Jnana Ajanya Jnanatvam, in Vedanta Mata, it is not a problem. And Jnana Karana Jnanatvam, third vikalpa was, in Jnana Akarana Jnanatvam, we saw from Anubhava comes Samskara, from Samskara comes Smriti. So Smriti is Samskara Janya. If you say it is Samskara Janya, then so there will be Ati Vyapti in Smriti. Because it is not Jnana, it is Jnana Akarana Jnana. Because Jnanam, Anubhava is not Karana. Sanskar is the Karana. So there will be Ati Vyapti in Smriti. And if you say Samskara Karana, then in that another thing that will happen is Pratyabhijna. In Pratyabhijna there will be Avyapti. Pratyabhijna Avyapti how? Because Pratyabhijna requires Pratyaksha as well as Smriti. So in that Lakshana will not go. Sanskara Dwara Karanatve Pratyabhijnayam Avyapte. Up to that we saw. There was one word, Upakshinataya. Napi Tritiyaha Anubhavasya Samskare Upakshinataya. Everybody see this word? Pakshina. Shina Shabda Shi. Shi Kshaye. This is the Dhatu. And when Nishtha Pratyay you have to do. She is actually Hraswa in Dhatu. Shikshaya. Shikshaya. Kshaksha. Kshina, that ksha. But there is a sutra, Nishtayam Anyat Arthe. Anyat Arthe Pratyaya, when it will come, Raswakshi will become Dirghakshi. So, short vowel will become long. She. Sutra number is 6460. Nishtayam Anyat Arthe. So, this will make it Dirgha. And then when you have to put Nishtha Pratyaya, Pratyaya, then there is another sutra which will make that takar into nakara. Kshiyo dirghat nishthatah. So kshiyo dirghat is the sutra. Nishthatah is the anuvritti. 8 to 46. So that will make takar into nakara. Then nakar will become anakara. Atkum vam num yavayepi. So in this way, 3 sutras to form Kshina Shabda. Further now. Iti evam प्रत्यक्ष प्रमायाः दुरुपपादत्वात् सुपपादः पक्ष आश्रयणीय इति अभिप्रायवान आह. अभिप्रायवान कः? धर्मराजः, आचार्य, ग्रंथकार. What is his abhipraya? That either way प्रत्यक्ष प्रमा लक्षणम will be difficult. If we say इंद्रियजन्य ज्ञानत्वम or ज्ञानाजन्य ज्ञानत्वम or ज्ञानाकरण ज्ञानत्वम, some or the other complexities can come. Actually, Jnanajanya Jnanatvam, as far as Siddhanta is concerned, that Lakshana is okay for Pratyaksha Prama. But he said here, Pratyaksha Pramayaha Durupapadatvat. It is difficult to do Lakshana of Pratyaksha Jnana, Pratyaksha Prama. Therefore, Supapadaha Paksha Ashrayaniya. Therefore, that which is most appropriate, such Lakshana should be done. Such Paksha should be taken. पक्ष आश्रयणीय इति अभिप्रायवान आह. दुरुपपादत्वात्. This dur and su, such pratyas, they are khal pratyaya. There is a sutra, ishad du sushu prachra prachrartheshu khal. Ishad du sushu prachra prachrartheshu khal. 3.3.126. So like in Kathopanishad, Durdarsham, I have said this another place also. Dur, whenever it comes, it is because of such thing. Dushkaram or Sudurdarsham idam, Bhagavan says in Gita, there also Su is there. So Dur, Su, both. Hal Pratyay is there. No, here Hal Pratyay is used. Upasarga also can be there. Dur Upasarga and Upapada. No, Khal Pratyaya will come in Dhatu, which will make this. Like they have given Drishtanta here. Sukaraha, Dushkaraha, Dushpramayaha, Suvilayaha. इति अभिप्रायवान् आह प्रत्यक्ष प्रमा इन मूलम प्रत्यक्ष प्रमा च अत्र चैतन्यमेव. व्हाट इज द प्रत्यक्ष प्रमा? चैतन्यम. इफ यू से प्रत्यक्ष प्रमा इज चैतन्यम, there will be a problem. Chaitanyam, that lakshana will go in all prama and not only pratyaksha. So we will have to say jnanajanya jnanatve sati, but if you say chaitanyam, then it is, so some purva pakshas will be raised on this. Chaitanyam eva. See tippani number 2, which is in this PDF that I shared, is on page 15. Vedant Naye. Everybody found?
Yes.
इसमें नहीं. वेदांत नये ज्ञानम चैतन्यम ब्रह्म इत्यादि अनर्थांतरम. वेदांत नये means Vedanta Siddhante. In Vedanta Siddhanta, Jnanam is Chaitanyam and Chaitanyam is Brahma. Ityadi anarthantaram. Anarthantaram means na arthantaram, anarthantaram. Arthantaram means different meaning. Arthantaram means different meaning. Anarthantaram means not different. So Jnanam, Chaitanyam, Brahma, they all are synonyms. Samanartha Shabda. Anarthantaram means Samanartha Shabda. Page number 15. Second number tippani. Jnana Visheshaha Prama. तथा च प्रत्यक्ष प्रमायाः एव चैतन्यत्व कथनं युक्तम इति आशयः. ज्ञान विशेष is प्रमा. ज्ञान विशेष because सामान्य ज्ञानम is chaitanyam and that ज्ञान विशेष is प्रमा. Therefore प्रत्यक्ष प्रमायाः एव चैतन्यत्व कथनं युक्तम. Tippanikar is justifying, but there will be questions. So how can you say Brahma is Pratyaksha Prama? So see further in Tika. Tatra Shrutim Pramanayati. Now he gives Shruti Pramana. I know some people will have to go back and forth, this book, that book. I think this PDF that I have shared, if you just follow that, then it is easy. The other one you can use for reading the Hindi explanation and all. Okay. Because there are a lot of tippanis in this, which I find are very useful, because Tikakar has not clarified lot of things. On everything, some 2-3 tippanis are there on every page. Yad Sakshad Aparokshad Brahma iti Shrutehe. Shruti Pramanam is Brahadaranyaka 341. Yad Sakshad Aparokshad Brahma. See in Tika. So this is there in 341, 351 also. In Kahol Brahmana and before that also in Brahadaranyaka. Yat Sakshad Aparokshad Brahma. There, Aparokshat is not Panchami. Aparokshat, we should understand, अपरोक्षम, साक्षात अपरोक्षम ब्रह्म. Brahma is अपरोक्ष. टीका. प्रमाण द्वारक प्रत्यक्षत्व व्यावृत्त्यर्थम साक्षात पदम. Now they are doing padakritya of this. प्रमाण द्वारक प्रत्यक्षत्व व्यावृत्त्यर्थम. This pratyaksha of Atma is not through any pramana. That is indicated by the word. What is the word? Online students. Can you hear me?
Yes. John, can you repeat the question?
The question was Pramana Dwaraka Pratyaksha Vyavrityartham. Which padam is given?
Sakshat.
Sakshat means what? Whenever we say Sakshatkara or I have Sakshat Jnanam, means what? Without Pramana. Sakshatkara means this. Between me and Brahma, any Pramana is not involved in between. This is called Sakshat. Or you say any Vyavadhana. Like if there is a Ghataha, and if somebody wants to use the word Sakshat, I have Sakshat Jnanam of Ghata means not through somebody. But when it is said, I have Sakshat Jnanam of Atma, so then even Pramata is not required in between. Like throughout the day, it is not that I need Pramata, then some Pramana, then Pramavritti to have Brahma Jnana. All the time it is known. This is why that Sakshat Pada is there. Pramana Dwaraka Pratyakshatva Vyavrityartham Sakshat Padam. Aparoksha Pramanat Brahmanaha Sakshatvam iti Brahma Nirasaya Aha. Aparokshat iti. Aparoksha Pramanat Brahmanaha Sakshatvam. And it is not through any Pramana. Aparoksha Pramanat means Aparoksha Pramana is in the form of Pratyaksha only. So Brahma Jnanam is not through Pratyaksha Pramana. See, what is Aparoksha? How do you understand Aparoksha Shabda? Na Paroksha iti Aparoksha. Ghata is also not Paroksha. Parvata is Paroksha. Dharma Paroksha. Ghata is Aparoksha. So for Pratyaksha also Aparoksha Shabda Vyavahar can happen. And Atma also is Aparoksha. So for Atma also Pratyaksha Shabda Vyavahar can happen. Here what is said, Aparoksha Pramanat Brahmanaha Sakshatvam iti Brahma Nirasaya. So Brahma Jnanam is through some Pratyaksha Pramana. There Aparoksha means Pratyaksha. Brahma Jnanam is not through Pratyaksha Pramana. So for that Bhranti Nivritti, Brahma Nirasaya Aparoksha. So it is Sakshat means there is no Pramana involved. And there is no Aparoksha Pramana also. Aparoksha Pramana means Pratyaksha Pramana. Actually by Sakshat Pada it is done. Aparoksha is only telling you it is not Paroksha. And it is not Indriya Vishaya. So Sakshat and Aparoksha together they say it is not Indriya Vishaya and it is not pramana vishaya. साक्षात् पदम् अपरोक्ष प्रमाणात् ब्रह्मणः साक्षात्वम् इति ब्रह्म निरासाय आह. ननु, now the questions are raised. चैतन्यस्य अनादित्वेन करण आकांक्ष शून्यत्वात् चक्षुरादेस्तस्य करणत्वेन प्रमाणत्वं कथम् इति शंकते. If you say pratyaksha prama lakshanam is chaitanyam, chaitanyam is anadi, and you say pramanam is pramayaha karanam, karanam is asadharana karanam, vyaparavat asadharana karanam karanam. So if it is karanam and you say it is chaitanyam, chaitanyam which is pramakaranam according to you. So pratyaksha prama is janya, chaitanya is anadi. How anaditvena karana akanksha shunyatvat. Prama requires karanam. Prama requires karanam. Karanam will be some karanam. Asadharana karanam karanam. So prama is produced by that karana. But if you say prama is chaitanya, chaitanya is anadi. Anadi doesn't need karana. That is the paksha here. अनादित्वेन करण आकांक्ष शून्यत्वात् चक्षुरादेः तस्य करणत्वेन प्रमाणत्वं कथम्. चक्षुरादेः 4 नंबर टिप्पणी you see first. चैतन्यस्यैव प्रत्यक्ष प्रमात्वे. This is on the same page. चैतन्यस्यैव प्रत्यक्ष प्रमात्वे तस्य अनादित्वात् ततः एव अजन्यत्वात् करण अनपेक्षा. If you say chaitanya is pratyaksha prama, chaitanyasyeva pratyaksha pramatve, chaitanya is anadi, tasya anaditvat, tata eva ajanyatvat. So it is ajanya. It doesn't have any karanam. So therefore, karana anapeksha. It doesn't have any karana apeksha. And what is karanam? Karana visheshaha karanam. Right? Karana vishesha is karanam. So if karana apeksha is not there, karana apeksha is not there. Karanam cha karakameva. And karanam is karakam only. Karanam cha karakameva. Tena chet pratyaksha pramanena chaitanye. Pratyaksha pramanena chaitanye kimapi atishayadhanam na kritam. Adhanam means to add anything. Atishaya means something which is additional. So here Chaitanyam, if you say it is prama and it is anadi, karanam cha karakam eva. Any karanam is one of the karaka. Are you all following or not?
Yes, Swamiji.
Karanam cha karakam eva. Tena chet pratyaksha pramanena chaitanye. By pratyaksha pramana, which is chaitanya, which is the karakam, chaitanye kimapi atishaya adhanam na kritam. Chaitanya, which is already jnana swarupa. What any pramana will do to add anything in jnana swarupa to make it prama. You already Chaitanya Rupa. Any pramana is used to create some jnanam. This is jnana swarupam already, Chaitanya. So pramana is not adding anything to prama here. Correct? Atishay adhanam na kritam. Next word is kritam tasya karanatva abhyupagamena iti shanka abhipraya. Kritam means vyartham. First kritam, na kritam, in that kritam means is done. Na kritam means is not done. Second kritam means vyartham. Vyartham tasya karanatva abhyupagamena. So then that pratyaksha pramana, which is karana, is of no use here, because that pramana is not adding anything to prama. Pratyaksha prama, which is chaitanyam according to you. Pratyaksha pramanena avishishta, avishishta nahi, avishishta. Pratyaksha pramanena avishishta chaitanya अतिशय आधान अभावे अपि अंतःकरण वृत्ति विशिष्ट चैतन्ये अतिशय आधान संभव इति परिहार अभिप्राय. So now what we are suggesting, in Shuddha Chaitanya, Praman is not going to add anything. But that Shuddha Chaitanya is also available in Antahkarana as Abhasa. In the Antahkarana Vritti Vishishta Chaitanya, which is Chidabhasa. In that, Atishaya Adhanam is possible. Atishaya Adhana Sambhava means Pramana has a role to play, not in Shuddha Brahma, in Avishishta Chaitanya, but in Vishishta Chaitanya. Which kind of Vishishta? Antahkarana Vritti Vishishta Chaitanya. In that, Atishaya Adhana is possible. Means there it will add something to Pratyaksha Pramanam. So that is how that Prama is dependent upon Pratyaksha Pramana. Shuddha Chaitanya, which is first definition that we gave as Jnanam. Pratyaksha Prama means Chaitanya. There, Pratyaksha Pramana doesn't have any role to play. Antahkarana Vritti Vishishta Chaitanya, there Pratyaksha Pramana has a role to play. Iti Parihara Abhipraya. Atishaya Adhanam means adding something additional. Adhanam means to put. Atishaya means something which is not there. See in the Tika. So fourth, this was Tippani number 4. Nanu Chaitanyasya Anaditvena Karana Akanksha Shunyatvat Chakshurades Tasya Karanatvena Pramanatvam Katham. How Chakshuradi are going to become Pramana here? If Shuddha Chaitanya is Prama, then Chakshuradi, what Pramanatva they will have? Iti Shankate Nanu in Moolam. Nanu Chaitanyam Anadi. Everybody knows where we are, right?
Yes,
Page
Swamiji.
number 15. If you are using this Tippani book, page number 15, it is easy. Just stay in that one text. And at home, take out some time and read the other book also. Don't spend time in doing other things and sending unnecessary messages. Nanu Chaitanyam Anadi. Now Puravaksha is asking the question. If Chaitanya is Anadi, तत् कथम चक्षुरादेश तत्करणत्वेन प्रमाणत्वम्. That means, he'll say in Tika, if Chaitanya is beginningless, then how Chakshuradi will become Pramana to produce Prama called Chaitanya, which is already Anadi. How it is going to be produced? So Chakshuradi will not become Karana, and we want Pratyaksha Pramana with Chakshuradi should become Karana. How? What is the sambandha? Chakshuradi tat Karanatvena Pramanatvam katham iti. Tika. So Tika is on next page, 16. Tat means Tasmat. Tat Katham is given. So Tat means Tasmat Katham Chakshuradehe Tat Karanatvena Pramana. Chaitanyasya Anaditve api. If Chaitanya is Anadi, Chaitanya Abhivyanjaka Antakarana Vrittehe Indriya Sannikarshadina Janyatvena. Chaitanya Abhivyanjaka Antakarana Vritti. Chaitanya Abhivyanjaka Antakarana Vrittehe Indriya Sannikarshadina. So, Antakarana Vritti, which is Chaitanya Abhivyanjaka, because Chaitanya is everywhere. Chaitanya is everything. Unless that Chaitanya becomes manifest, unless it expresses somewhere, we will not recognize that Chaitanya. So you need Abhivyanjaka. What is the Abhivyanjaka for Chaitanya? Antakarana Vritti. So Chaitanya Abhivyanjaka Antakarana Vrittehe Indriya Sannikarshadina Janyatvena. It is Indriya Sannikarshadina Janita. That Antakarana Vritti will arise only when there is Indriya Sannikarsha. Janyatvena tad Vishishta Chaitanyasya Adimattayaha Suvachattvena. Tad Vishishta Chaitanya. Antakarana Vritti Vishishta Chaitanya is Adimat or Anadimat? Adimat. Adimat means Adiman. Matu Pratyay there. It has a beginning. Adimattayaha Suvachattvena. Chakshurades tat karanatva sambhavena. And therefore Chakshuradi can become Karana to produce this appropriate Antakarana Vritti Vishishta Chaitanya. Pramanya Upapattehe. And therefore Pramanya Upapatti is there. Pramanya Upapatti will be in Chakshuradi. Chakshuradehe Pramanya Upapatti. Maivam iti pariharati. Siddhanti. So Purvapakshi started with Nanu. Siddhanti is doing parihara. Uchyate. See the Moolam. Chaitanyasya anaditve api tad abhivyanjaka antakarana vrittihi indriya sannikarshadina jayate iti vritti vishishtam chaitanyam adimat ityuchyate. So it's very straightforward now. Earlier we had doubts. So now he explains it out. Chaitanya is anadi. Chaitanya se anaditve api. Tad abhivyanjaka antakarana vrittihi is indriya sannikarshadina jayate. See, the advantage is what is said in Moolam is also said in Tika, is also said in Tippani. So when you hear 3 times in one class, so the advantage is actually even if it is 1 hour class, actually you read only 20 minutes worth because it is repeated 3 times. So you don't feel it is going too fast. Otherwise, if this much material is covered, this is all really heavy duty Vedanta Paribhasha. So, tad abhivyanjaka antakarana vrittir indriya sannikarshadina jayate. Jayate na va? Jayate. इति वृत्ति विशिष्टम चैतन्यम आदिमत इति उच्यते. So वृत्ति विशिष्ट चैतन्य is आदिमत. You know, there is a word adima also. Adima. Adimam sutram atha to brahma jignasa. Adima. Adima is like how you have madhyama, antima. So the ma comes at the end. It is just like a paschima. So there is a pratyaya, dimach pratyaya. So first you take the sutra, not for adimat, huh? If it is adima. Sayam chiram prahne pragre abhyaye yash tutulau tutcha. There is tutula pratyaya and tut pratyaya. Tutulau tutcha. 4-3-23. Sayam chiram. And then agra adi paschat. This is a vartik on that. Agra adi paschat. There is a dimach pratyaya. So agrima, adima, paschima, all these words are found by this pratyaya. This word is there in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sar Sangrah Tika, in the invocation shlokas itself. So that's why I know it. Chaitanyam Adi Mat Uchyate. It is for Adima. Huh? This sutra is for Adima. So Chaitanya is Adimat. Which Chaitanya is Adimat? वृत्ति विशिष्टम अंतःकरण वृत्ति विशिष्टम चैतन्यम आदिमत इत्युच्यते. सी टीका. अविशिष्टम चैतन्यम प्रति चक्षुरादेः अकरणत्वम तु इष्टमेव. अविशिष्टम चैतन्यम प्रति चक्षुरादेः अकरणत्वम तु इष्टमेव. तस्य स्वप्रकाशत्वेन स्वात्मनि प्रमाण व्यापार अनपेक्षत्वात् इति भावः. अविशिष्ट चैतन्य शुद्ध चैतन्य. शुद्ध चैतन्यम प्रति चक्षुरादेः करणत्वम और अकरणत्वम. अकरणत्वम चक्षुरादि they are not becoming karana. Not being karana means not being karana. Not being karana means they are not karaka. I remember when we were studying Khandan, in that book some printing mistakes were there. Varana, karana and karaka. Every karana is karaka or not. Every karaka is karana or not. No. So karana shabda is vyapya. Karaka is vyapaka. If there is a printing mistake where karana shabda should come and karaka shabda has been erroneously put, the meaning will be different. When it is supposed to be karaka and if you put karana, at least it's not that big of a problem. It is also incorrect. So, and karana and karana. Sadharana karana is different. Only asadharana karana is karana. So there also between karana and karana, you say somebody says rasva dirgha, there also there is a problem. Because one is vyapya, another is vyapaka. Every word has to be clearly understood. And when you pronounce also, it should be clear. Kara. Now, the other person doesn't know whether you said karana or karaka. And some people have the habit of eating some last words. There are people. Maharaji scolds on these issues many times. सो चक्षुरादेः अकरणत्वं तु इष्टमेव टुवर्ड्स अविशिष्ट चैतन्य, बिकॉज तस्य स्वप्रकाशत्वेन स्वात्मनि प्रमाण व्यापार अनपेक्षत्वात्. शुद्ध चैतन्य doesn't need pramana vyapara because it is swaprakasha rupa and it is aparoksha also. ननु वृत्ति ही एव प्रमा तत् प्रत्यक्ष प्रमा किम न स्यात्. प्रत्यक्ष वृत्ति itself is prama. Why it cannot be pratyaksha prama? Why you have to say chaitanya and then come to vritti vishishta chaitanya? This is Dravida pranayama. Why you need to do that? Dravida pranayama is a phrase. Huh? It has nothing to do with anybody. Nanu vritti eva pratyaksha prama kim na syat. तस्याम ज्ञान व्यवहार उपलब्धेः. तस्याम कस्याम वृत्तौ. In that vritti, jnana vyavahar is upalabdha. It is available. Swarupena indriya janyatva upapattescha. And vritti is indriya janya also. So indriya janyatva lakshana will also go there. Jnana vyavahar is also there. Why can't you just call vritti as pratyaksha prama instead of going to chaitanya, then coming down? Iti ashankya satyam jnanam anantam इत्यादि श्रुत्या चैतन्यस्य एव मुख्य ज्ञानत्व अवगमन. मुख्य ज्ञानम is not वृत्ति ज्ञानम. मुख्य ज्ञानम is चैतन्य. सत्यम ज्ञानम अनंतम, that is ज्ञानम. मुख्य ज्ञानत्व अवगमात्. So vritti is jnanam or not? Vritti is also jnanam. But how? See. वृत्तेश्च जडान्तःकरण धर्मत्वेन जडत्वात् न तस्याः प्रत्यक्ष प्रमात्वम्. Vritti is jada because it is parinama of jada antakarana. Jada antakarana dharmatvena jadatvat. Na tasyaha pratyaksha pramatvam. Vritti by itself is not pratyaksha prama. Actually, when we say prama, it is some jnanam. Vritti is jada. How you can put the lakshana of jnanam in jada vastu? This is Siddhanti saying. If it is jnanam, you cannot use only vritti. Tasyaha pratyaksha pramatvam na apitu. But tasyam chaitanya rupa jnanavachedakatvat tattvopachara iti ashayana aha. But in that vritti, when chaitanya rupa jnana avachedaka takes place, means chaitanya when it expresses in antakarana vritti avachedakatvat tattva upachara. Tattva upachara means pramatva upachara. Second number tippani jnanatva upachara. Jnanatva upachara because quotation is coming. Iti ashayanaha jnana. In मूलम ज्ञान अवच्छेदकत्वाच्च वृत्तौ ज्ञानत्व उपचारः. ज्ञान अवच्छेदकत्वात् वृत्ति is ज्ञान अवच्छेदिका. Therefore, in vritti jnanatva upachara is there. vritti is called jnanam in gauna rupa, and primarily it is only Shuddha Chaitanya. Shuddha Chaitanyam is Jnanam primarily. Gauna is Vritti also. Vrittau Jnanatva Upacharaha. CNTika now. So this phrase you remember. Antakarana Vrittau Jnanatva Upachara. Nanu idam kena acharyena uktam iti akanshayama. Which acharya said in Vritti there is Jnanatva Upachara? Taduktam. Vivarane. Vivarana Acharya has said. Who is Vivarana Acharya? No, that is Panchapadikakara. Who is Vivarana Acharya? When you say here you are sitting and I can't hear. No, not Bhamati. Bhamati is Svachaspati. I will tell you. Taduktam Vivarane. In Vivarana, it is said, this line you remember. Antakarana Vrittau Jnanatva Upacharat. In Antakarana Vritti, Jnanatva is Upachara. Iti. CNTika. Tathacha is given the name. प्रकाशात्मक संज्ञकैर आचार्यैः विवरणाख्ये ग्रंथे अभिहितत्वात् नायम अपसिद्धांत इति भावः. Which acharya? प्रकाशात्मक संज्ञकैः. He is not saying the name of the acharya directly. He is Prakashatman acharya. So he says प्रकाशात्मक संज्ञक acharya. संज्ञकैः आचार्यैः बहुवचनम is used. विवरणाख्ये ग्रंथे. In the Vivarana Grantha, Abhihitatvat, Nayam Apasiddhanta. This is not Apasiddhanta. Means whatever, because this Acharya has written commentary on Panchapadika, right? I told you in the beginning. So he has followed Vivarana closely. So whenever he refers to something, like earlier the Anumanam that we saw, big Anumanam in the beginning itself in Mangalacharanam, that is also having both the Anumanam. There were two Anumanams. Both are from Panchapadika Vivarana. And this one is also from Vivarana. Antakarana Vrittau Jnanatva Upacharat. In Antakarana Vritti, Jnana is Upachara. Tathacha Prakashatmaka Sanyakaihi Acharaihi Vivaranakhya Granthe Abhihitatvat. In the Vivarana Grantha, he has said, therefore, Nayam Apasiddhanta iti bhava. Therefore, this is not Apasiddhanta. This is proper. Up to this we keep. So, in this text, up to page 16, everything is covered. All the Vritti, Tippanis also and Tika also. Now we are on page 17. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.